Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I gonna show you how to fulfill your RX100 2T tag. So let's start. Hi guys, I gonna show you my RX100 bike, which is stand over there in my garden. Okay guys, that's my RX100 bike, which is stand in my garden. So now I going over there and showing the full procedure, so stay tuned. That's my office, and this is the Moto Mix 2T quick start from Motul, 500 ml. I have purchased this 2 bottle, 5 plus 5, 1 liter. I am getting this from Amazon. Okay, so we'll continue with this. That's my garden, and that's my RX100. And see this, the meter showing nearly zero. That's the condition of my bike. So I start with this screwdriver. It's a -1. Let's open this. It's the original cover by company. I will show you the condition. That's nearly little bit amount of mobile is there, but so now I open this. It's fully sealed. Now I open with this, and then we will slowly put it over there. So last time I use Castrol, but Castrol I think don't perform well, so I just change it and purchase this from Amazon.in. It's a 500 ml goes on. Next, 1 bottle still remaining, and I will open this. I forget to show you the meter. It's showing nearly 50%. Okay. So then it's another bottle. Still I open this and will so nearly complete. Now I showing this meter. It's wow, it's showing nearly full. See this, it's showing full. and I will place the bottle reverse condition. If some of amount is mobile is remain, then I will put it to my mobile tank. So after that I cover up the box, then let's then the screwdriver, yeah, it's done. The procedure is complete. So now I start my machine and will show you how it sounds like. So it's on reserve, that's the tank, and little bit need of choke. Oh, it's stopped down. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like anything else regarding Yamaha, any kind of help, then please do comment, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, and anything else regarding this, please comment below. So guys, little bit amount of mobile still remain. See what's, oh, some mobile is there. So I will open the my tank, oil tank, and